Hello friends, today we are going to be drawing a landscape. So I'm going to get started right away. I've got a white piece of paper and a pencil, and I'm going to first start by drawing a hill, starting right in the middle, towards the middle of the paper. So it can be any kind of hill. All right, and then I'm going to add a tree in my landscape. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a pine tree, which is basically like a Christmas tree. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And how I'm going to draw my pine tree, I'm going to draw it right in the front. And I'm just going to start by drawing kind of a triangle on the top, and then just kind of a squiggly line on the bottom. And then I'm going to draw a line starting out from the bottom, and then another straight line starting out, kind of slanting a little bit, and then draw a squiggly bottom. And I'm just going to keep doing this. It's getting a little bit farther out as I am drawing it. So one line, and it's kind of making the shape of a triangle. So I think I have room for one more section. So I've got two lines coming out, and then the squiggly line going down, and then I'll want room for my trunk. So I'll just draw kind of a rectangle shape for my trunk. There we go. If I want to add some lines to my trunk, I can go ahead and do that. All right, and then the next thing I'm going to draw is a house in my landscape. So I'll draw my house maybe on top of the hill, kind of where there is an empty space. So I'll go ahead and draw a kind of square door, and then a triangle roof. And if I want to add windows, I can add some squares to my house with some lines going through. And then I can always add some shingles to my roof. So kind of these curvy lines. And then we've got some straight lines for the siding if you want to add siding to your house. All right, and then the last thing I'm going to add is I'm going to add a sun in the sky. So a nice big circle kind of in the corner. And then if there's anything else you want to add, feel free to add more. I'm going to leave mine just like this. I think it looks good. Actually, I might add a person now that I think about it. I'm going to add a person right out here, kind of playing outside. So feel free to add anything else that you would like to add. Next, we're going to add color. So when you're done drawing everything in pencil, I'm going to use colored pencils. You can use whatever you'd like. You can use markers. You can use crayons. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Just coloring everything in. I'm going to outline it and then just color it in. All right, we'll do some brown shoes. Let's see, a nice red shirt. So I'm going to continue to just go ahead and color everything in very carefully, taking my time. I'll go ahead and outline the tree with this dark green, just one section at a time. I'm outlining everything first and then nicely coloring it in. All right, just going to outline the sun with an orange, colored in yellow, and then color in the sky blue. And I am all done with my landscape drawing. I left the hills white because they have snow. I'll see you next time.